you are blinding my suit. You are harassing me. Come inside. Come inside. I will not in the front of the school. See how you are dragging me. Why are you dragging me like this? What is wrong with you? It's not fair.
Because say both you and the officer come inside.
You are harassing me.
God say you should come inside.
I'm not embarrassing. I was calling you.
God say you should.
Are you not the person that called me that?
But you say I should. Order. What is wrong with you with this one?
It's ready.
It's very interesting how a lot of Nigerians are actually engaging in the act of impersonation without fearing or being bothered about their own personal liberty. When I say personal liberty, with regards to going to prison or being arrested, like you see somebody who come out fully and be claiming what he is not or what he has never been in his life. Like it's really crazy that you see somebody in Nigeria, someone who has never gone to medical school, someone who has never even had ordinary nurse training in his life, will come out and be claiming he's a medical doctor. He will even have his own building or let's say shop or outlet where he will be conducting surgeries. He will go as far as be making prescriptions, conducting surgeries. And interestingly, some of these guys do this for a long time without any trouble. Like they successfully carry out these surgeries or these procedures. It's not just only the aspect of medicine. You see people who have never gone to law school or been into a law faculty in their life will come out and be claiming that they are lawyers. Not just claiming that they are lawyers, they will be going to court, conducting cases. And interestingly, some of these guys will win the cases and be getting clients even more than the regular lawyers. Are we talking about the aspect of the law enforcement? You see every day, police arrest people who are either fake police officers, fake military men, fake this, fake that. And the question is, do these people not bother or worry that they can be arrested? Is it that they do not know that they can be arrested? Just recently, a fake lawyer was arrested in Rivers State. Someone in the name of, I think in the name of D.A. Amadi, that he claims as his name. Yes, he appeared before court. You've never been to the law school. You've never had any training, and you appeared before the court, announcing appearance. Like, it's really interesting that people actually just do these things without even bothering, without even fearing that anything else will happen. If I perish, I perish. Interestingly, he was arrested yesterday. So it brings me to that. It makes me wonder: is it that these persons are not even? Is it that they are not aware of the consequences of impersonation? Now, let me talk about impersonation generally. When you talk about impersonation, you are saying a person represents himself to be who is not, with the aim of getting certain benefit or monetary compensation from other persons. For example, I'm not a lawyer, and I come out to say I am a lawyer. Yes, I am representing people, I'm a lawyer. If you want the law is here for you. The law. I have not had any law school training, I have not been to any law faculty, and I just come out and tell you, the law is here. Before you know it, people are bringing documents for them, I'm preparing documents, I'm signing. I go as far as even getting a seal, because now lawyers, we have our MBA seal, which enables us to actually seal documents after franking. After signing document, prepare document and frank, we'll put our seal. Now I go as far as getting my seal and I'm signing and tell people I'm a lawyer. Next thing, clients are coming. The law, tenancy matter, the law, this person sue me, the law. I am going to court and I'm representing. At that particular time, I am engaging in what we call impersonation. Or like the example I use, I'm not a doctor, but I tell people I'm a doctor. I start conducting procedures, surgeries, and the rest of all those things. I am not a doctor. So by the virtue of referring to myself or presenting to people that I am a doctor, what am I doing? I am impersonating. It mustn't be that you're impersonating a professional. You can impersonate any other person. The fact you want to represent to other person that you are who you are not or what you're not, that's an act of what? Impersonation. And like I said, I asked the question, is that these persons are not aware of the offense of impersonation or the effect of impersonation, especially when arrested or when caught. Now, by virtue of section 484 of the Criminal Code, impersonation is an offense. Section 484 makes provision for the fact that when you impersonate a person, whether living or dead, you commit felony, and upon conviction, the person will be sentenced to what? 3 years imprisonment. Now, where the impersonation is with respect to a particular property, which is the subject of a will or operation or by operation of law, is supposed to devolve on a particular person. For example, so Mr. A makes a will, and he gives his first house to his son Chukwudi. Now, I know that Chukwudi is the beneficiary of that will, and I impersonate myself. I prepare documents to show that I'm Chukwudi. And if I'm caught, by virtue of doing that, for the fact that I want to actually obtain a benefit from a will or in regards to a particular property, which is by operation of law, is supposed to come on a particular person, I will be sentenced upon conviction to 14 years imprisonment. So for all ye that are impersonating or willing to impersonate or about to impersonate or about to do a particular thing or claim to be who you are not, know ye that the law actually makes a punishment, serious punishment for impersonation. 3 years, 14 years, no be beans. It is not beans actually. Now, when it comes to the legal profession, you have certain, there's a particular provision in the Legal Practitioners Act that stipulates punishment for impersonating a lawyer. When you claim that you're a lawyer, you represent people that you're a lawyer for the purpose of any monetary benefits or any benefit at all, you represent people that, oh, you're a lawyer, or you prepare documents as a lawyer when you are not, with the aim of collecting money from people. Or you appear in court representing to the court that you're a lawyer when you are not. When you do any of these acts, you are impersonating a lawyer. And by virtue of the Section 22 of the Legal Practitioners Act, you are liable upon conviction to either fine or imprisonment. So, take it or leave it. And there's no reason why you should be impersonating people. Because the law is very clear, the law is very strict. Prison no be anybody friend. So there's no need impersonating or claiming what you are. Well, the thing is, they say a word is enough for the wise. Stop impersonating. If you have been impersonating, desist from it today. If not, the prison is calling out to you. All of you who are claiming to be lawyers when you are not lawyers, all of you claiming to be doctors or policemen or claiming what you are not, please know that the law is actually very strict on this crime. And once arrested and prosecuted and found guilty, you will smell prison and enjoy the stay for a very long time. My name is Harold John Obizoba Ike, and this is Law Theory Niger. Don't forget to like, share, comment. If you've not subscribed, hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications so that whenever we drop a new episode, you will be updated as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, and God bless you.